Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Oh, you have got to be kidding me. What I just heard this morning is unbelievable. I was talking to a dealer and we were talking about his parts department, and he told me he has over $100,000 in special order parts that have never been picked up and he cannot return them. Some of them are 7 to 10 years old and they've still been sitting on the shelf. And I asked him, but clearly you had the part paid for before you ordered it. And he said, no, my parts manager said that people don't like to pay in advance for special order parts. If you're going to special order a part for somebody and they're not willing to pay for it up front, then there's a good odds they're not going to come and get it. Why would you special order a part for somebody and not have it prepaid? That makes no logical sense. And we wonder why some of our parts departments are buried in inventory.